Hello, good afternoon, Nadia. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Fine. How was your school? Is that good? Good. Okay. Is it online or offline school?
Online.
Online. Oh, I see. Well, we still wait for your friends first. Anyway, Nadia, do you have any question about our lessons yesterday?
Yes.
Yes? What you want to ask me? Good afternoon, Janu. Hello, Janu.
Hello, Miss.
Good afternoon, Zahra. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Fine.
Hello, Miss. Hello, Miss. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Janu. How are you today? Is that good?
I'm good.
Good. How was your school, Janu? Is it going well, your school? Yes. Zahra, how was your school today?
Yes, I got the offline school.
Oh, that's great. Dafa, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hey, okay, good. How was your school? Is it online or offline?
Offline.
Offline. I see. Okay, guys, before we start our class today, let's pray. Let's pray together. Pray, begin. Finish. Thank you. So, do you have any question about article, our yesterday's lesson? No? You
No.
understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. So, today we're going to learn about a new topic. Okay, what topic? Let's see. We'll share the screen. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, so today we will learn about noun, countable and uncountable. But first, do you know what is the countable or uncountable noun is? Okay, now can you see the screen?
Yes.
What do you see in the screen? Read it.
Countable.
Countable.
Uncountable. Uncountable.
We have two. The first one is countable and the second is uncountable. So let's see the differences. Countable is a thing that we can count it, or you can read in on the screen something we can count it. For example, banana, apple, pen, book. What? Do you know any example? The other example?
Egg.
Egg. Okay. And then what else?
Oh.
Countable. This one. We can count it. So what is the meaning of countable? This one. Can you read it? Well, I will write it. So, countable is can you see it? Countable is something we can count it. Or you can read it, the meaning in Indonesia. For example, banana, I have,
Sesuatu yang bisa.
yeah. So what is countable? This one. Can we count it?
Sesuatu yang bisa dihitung.
Okay,
Count.
count. What is the meaning of count?
Hitung.
Well, so what is the meaning of countable?
Banana.
The meaning of countable is, did you see it? Or you want to write it on your book?
Yang ditulis yang mana, Miss?
Okay, you can write it this one, countable. Okay, uncountable and countable. You want to write it? Hello, good afternoon, Aulia.
My name is Aida, Miss.
Yeah?
My name is Aida. Is my sister name?
Oh, I see. How are you today?
Good.
Good. How was your school? Is it doing well?
Yes. Yang ini kan yang dituliskan, Miss?
Yes. So please write it first about countable and uncountable. After you write it, we can continue our discussion. Okay, please tell me if you're finished.
Dikit lagi, Miss.
Okay, continue. Okay, have you finished?
Finish,
Yeah.
Miss.
Finish.
Finish.
Countable is what? Countable. Can you read it? What is the meaning of countable? Is something that we count it. Countable is a thing okay. This is countable and uncountable is This one. Uncountable is something that we cannot count it. Or you can read in the screen. This one. We cannot count it. For example, honey, water, milk, sugar. What else? Do you know something that we cannot count?
Honey.
Yeah, honey. Can we count water?
Water.
Can we count it?
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Can we count milk?
No, no.
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 And then can we count sugar?
No.
It's too much, right? So this is an uncountable, something that we cannot count. Okay. Do you have any question?
No.
No? Really? So what is another example of countable noun? Very countable. What is another example from countable? Banana, apple, pen, book. What else?
Pencil.
Yeah,
Pencil.
pencil.
Egg.
Yeah, egg. And then that we can count it. What else?
Apa ya?
Toys.
Aduh.
And then how about uncountable? What is another example?
Rain.
Okay, rain.
Star.
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
Uncountable is something we cannot count.
Umbrella.
Umbrella, we can count it. This is countable. And then star. What else? Sand. Do you know sand?
Gak tahu sand apa.
Sand is okay. Can we count sand? Can we count sand? No.
Maksudnya Miss?
Okay. Okay, can you see it?
No.
Yeah. So can we count sand? No, right?
No.
And then what is another example about uncountable? You know more?
Peanut.
Okay.
Oil.
Well, do you understand about countable and uncountable?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. So I want to ask you, what is countable? What is countable?
Something can we count.
Okay, something we can count. And then how about uncountable? What is uncountable?
Something we can count.
Okay, thank you. And then if I have milk, is it countable or uncountable? Milk.
Uncountable.
Okay. Let's continue. Remember, we put some to plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. For example, For example, I have some books and some water.
Ditulis gak, Miss?
If you want to write it, please write it. Okay, so some, we put some to plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. What is plural? This one, you can read this one. Plural, what is plural?
Jamak.
Jamak. So what is jamak?
Nggak tahu. Tahu.
Okay, I write it.
Banyak.
Okay.
Banyak banget yang nggak tahu.
Yeah, that's okay. You can ask me.
Pasti tunggal dikit. Lebih dari satu.
Ya.
Pasti tunggal dikit nih. Tunggal dikit. Tunggal lebih. Ya. Kirain dikit.
Yes, it can be. That's true. So,
lebih dari satu ternyata satu.
Plural is, what is plural?
Satu berarti tiga.
And
Jamak.
What is singular?
Tunggal.
Okay. So let's see here. We have some. We use some to plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. What does it mean? I will write it.
Yes. Benda jamak lebih dari satu.
Okay.
Kalau lebih dari satu berarti jamak lebih dari satu.
Okay.
Nah, yang bisa dihitung dan
so let's see the example. I have some books and some water.
Water.
Books. Some books.
Some books and some water.
We can count books, right? Book. We can count it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. If something we can count, and this is more than one, so we put S. Okay, we'll write it again.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, can you read it? Can you read it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so if something that we can count and this is more than one, so we put S in the end of the words like this, book. We can count it, right?
Yes.
So we put S in the end of the word, books. Book is one. But if we put S, books, it means it's more than one. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Books, it means one. And books,
Lebih daripada
yeah, that's true. You get it right? You understand?
Yes. Yes, I understand.
And then let's see. We have water. Can we count water?
Yes.
Can we count it? Water is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable.
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
So water is an uncountable. So we can put some before it. Okay, we can put some. Well, I will write it. Okay, can you see it? We can use some to plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. This one. Right? For the example, I have some books. And then I have some water. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Can you make another example? With using some apples.
Some apples.
Okay, apple is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable, right?
Countable.
So we put some apple. Because apple is countable, we can count it. So we add S. This one, can you see it? If countable is more than one, so we put S. It turns to apples, not apple. Okay. Bananas. This is plural or singular? Banana. Zahra? Yes. Bananas. This is singular or plural? Okay. Banana. Can we count banana?
Plural.
Okay. Plural. So, can we count banana? Is it countable or uncountable? Banana.
Countable.
Countable. So, if we put S and it turns to bananas, what does it mean? Is that right? Bananas. Okay, can you see the difference? Banana, it means it's just one. And bananas, it means the banana is more than one. Do you want to ask a question?
No.
No? Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
I understand.
Really? And we have any here. Any is for negative or questions with countable and uncountable nouns.
Negatif. Negatif deh. Negatif. Dengan apa?
Okay. Can you read it? Where I put it? Any. We use any. Yes. Can you read it? We put any to negative or questions with countable and uncountable noun. For example, she has any apples and any milk. Apple is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. So we put S in the end of the word. Apples, it means the apples is more than one, right?
Yes.
That's true. And milk is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Okay. So is there any question?
No.
No?
No.
Well, let's move. Okay. Can you see it?
I can see.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. Let's read it together. Can you read it?
Yes.
Okay. Read it together. 1, 2, 3. Read it.
Do you
have
have
any
cheese?
Have any cash?
Do you have
any
any cheese?
cheese?
There isn't any cheese. I have some bananas and some honey. I don't have any orange or any milk. Do you have any pears or any apple? Do you have any
Do you have?
peach or any juice?
Okay, thank you. So, from this text, we found countable and uncountable noun, right? Cheese. Cheese is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable.
Uncountable.
Hello, Aida. Welcome back.
Siapa nih?
Yeah, we have a new friend today.
Pacaran. Pika pacaran siapa?
Okay, can we continue? And banana. Banana is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
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 We have S here, so it means that banana is more than one or just one? More than?
More than one.
More than one. And some honey. Honey is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Okay, great. Orange is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable.
How about milk?
Uncountable.
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 Okay. And now we have a note to remember, we use some with plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Like before, I have some bananas and some honey. So we can, okay, I will write it. We can use some plural countable okay. Can you remember it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we can use some to plural countable and uncountable. For example, here, I have some bananas and some honey. Banana is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. And then honey is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. So if uncountable, we don't put S in the end of the word. Okay, I will write it. Countable. Okay, countable. Uncountable. Okay. Can you see it? Countable. We can count it and we add S in the end of the word. And then uncountable, we don't put or we don't add any words in the end of the words. Right? If you want to write it, you can write it. And then orange. Orange is countable or uncountable?
Apa ya?
Countable.
Countable. Countable.
Countable. And milk?
Uncountable.
Countable. So we use some is for
Negatif untuk kalimat negatif P. Negatif pertanyaan.
okay. So we use some to positive and any to negative or question. Okay. And then we have, do you have any pears or any juice? Pears. Pears is countable and juice is uncountable, right? So I don't have any orange or any milk. This is positive or negative sentence. This is negative sentence, so we use any because I don't have any orange or any milk. Okay, have you write it?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have any question?
No.
No? Really?
Yes. Really.
Okay. Well, we use a or an with singular countable nouns. We put s on plural countable nouns. We don't use a or put s on uncountable nouns. Okay. I will write it.
Kita menggunakan a atau n atau an
For singular
kata tunggu.
Okay, can you see it? For example, we use a or an with singular countable nouns. This one, singular countable noun. For example, a cat. A cat. It means the cat is just one. So we put a cat. And then for another example, I have an apple. Okay. Do you have any example? I have an apple. What else? With using a or an.
A pineapple.
Pineapple. Can we count pineapple?
Yes.
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 So pineapple is countable. So we can say, I have a pineapple. Or I like a watermelon.
Watermelon.
Why we use a? Because watermelon is start from consonant or vowel. W.
Consonant.
Consonant. So we use a. Right? And then I have an apple. Why we use an? Because apple is start from A. A is consonant or vowel. A is consonant. Vowel. So we use an. Okay. You can write it on your book.
Yang mana yang ditulis, Miss?
This one.
Yang ini kan, Miss?
You can write. Yeah, you can write it. You can write the text that I wrote in the screen.
I can go to drink, please.
Yeah, Zahra?
I want drink.
Sorry, Zahra, can you repeat?
I want drink.
Oh, yeah. Nadia, do you have any question?
Yes.
Yes? What you want to ask? Okay, how about Aida?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you have any question?
No.
No. So we use some. When we use some, okay. Do you write it on your book, Aida?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And Janu, Dafa, have you write it?
Dikit lagi, Miss.
Okay. If you want to ask, just ask me, right?
Finish, Miss.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You welcome, Miss.
Finish, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Can we make more example that using some and any? Can we? Okay. There is no question.
No.
Okay. Examples 1. Write your own examples.
Finish, Miss.
Yeah, thank you. Examples 1. Write your own examples with using some and any. For example, I have some water, or I drink some honey.
Miss.
Yeah,
Izin minum.
okay. Take your time, just drink it. And then maybe, for example, Dafa have some toys. Can you make another examples? Can you make another examples?
I have any milk.
Okay.
Buat contoh. Dengan apa ya?
Okay. Let's make it together. What else? Zahra likes what? Zahra likes eat some apple. Or maybe Janu don't have any milk. Do you understand how to make the sentence?
I understand.
Really? Okay, let's discuss it.
Miss,
Yeah?
I go to toilet ya.
Okay, take your time. Okay, Aida, did you get the idea?
Yes, Miss.
You understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you. How about Nadia? Nadia, do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. So what is countable? Countable is something we can count it. Okay. I'll make here countable. Countable. Okay. So countable is something we can count it, and uncountable is something we cannot count it. Okay, Zahra, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have 5 examples here. I have some water. Why we use what some? Water is countable or uncountable? Water is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. So we use some. And then I drink some honey. Honey is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. And then Dafa have some toys. Toy is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. So we put S in the end of the word, right? Because it's countable. And then Zahra likes eat some apples. Apple is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable.
Countable. So we add
Countable.
S, right? How about Janu don't have any milk? Milk is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
Countable. So, and now why we use any, not some? Why? Because this is negative sentence. Okay. If negative sentence, we use any. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Like this one, Janu don't have any milk because this is negative sentence, so we use any. And then for the 1, 2, 3, 4 example, we use some because this is positive sentence. Okay, do you get it?
Yes. Yes.
Let's look into example 2. I have bananas and honey. Bananas is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. So we use some or any.
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 This is positive sentence. So we use this one. Because this is positive sentence, so we use some. Okay, sorry. Okay. I have some bananas and some or any. I have some bananas and some honey. I don't have orange or milk. And now, this is negative, right? This is negative, so we use some or any. Can you read it? This one.
I don't understand.
This. Some is to positive sentence, and any is to negative or question. Okay, have you read it?
Yes.
Yes. So I don't have. Okay, don't is negative, right? Don't is negative. So what we use? Some or any? Any. Okay. We use any. You can write it. This one, some and any when we use it. Orange or, okay, because it's still negative sentence, so we use any or some here. It's supposed to be any, right? And then do. We have do here. Do is question, right? You have space pairs or
Do you have some?
well, this is a question sentence, right? This is a question. Can you read it? We use any for negative or question. So what we use here, some or any. Some or any. This is question. Okay. Let's look on the screen. Any is to negative or question. Okay. Now we have do you have, you blank space, pears or juice. So this is a question, right? Okay, this is a question. So what we use? Some or any? Some or any? This one.
Any. Some.
Any.
Some.
Any. Well, we use
Any.
why we use any? Because this is a question. Okay, because this is a question. Well, please read it on your book. This one. Some and any.
Where is this?
Finish? Have you write it?
Where is the right?
Yeah.
I want to write it.
Okay, you can write it. Some is for positive sentence and any is for negative or question sentence. Okay, tell me if you're done.
Belum, Miss.
Yeah. If you have any question or if you have something you still confused, you don't understand, please ask me.
Finish, Miss.
Okay, how about the other?
Miss.
Okay. So why we use any? Because this is the negative sentence. I don't have a negative sentence, and we use any to a question like this one. Do you have any pears or any juice? Okay. Well, do you get the idea? Or you can ask me if you don't understand.
Yes, understand.
You understand? Okay, have you write it? The difference between
Yes.
some and any.
Yes.
Okay, there is no question.
No. No.
Well, because our time is not enough for today. If you have any question, you can ask me tomorrow on our next
No.
class, right?
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then we have a motto. Do you know it? We have a motto.
Moto apa, Miss? Motor.
Well, if I say, what do you do? So all of us say, I scale up my English with Guru Bahasa. Live the language. Okay, I will write it.
Yes. Apa maksudnya? With guru bahasa.
Okay, can we try it?
Yes.
Okay. Please read it loudly and read it together. Okay, 1, 2, 3. How do you do? I scale up
my English with guru bahasa.
live the language. Okay, please remember it. And now our time is not enough. Before we end this class, let's pray together.
Berdoa.
We begin. Finish. Okay, guys, thank you for coming to our class today. And now, please give me your best smile to your cam. I will take our pic of the day. 1, 2. Okay, thank you. Thank you for joining this class. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Dadah.
Bye-bye, Zahra.